Hello friends, welcome to the finance tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the present value. To begin with, the time value of money. What is the time value of money? It is a concept that money you have now is worth more than the identical sum in the future due to its potential earning capacity. This is the core principle of finance that holds that provided money can earn interest, any amount of money is worth more the sooner it is received. Suppose you and your friend both are given $1,000 today. You kept it idle at home, and your friend invested in a bank account. He kept the money in a bank account, which gives him interest of suppose 4%. So after 1 year, you would still be having the $1,000, but your friend's $1,000 would have increased to $1,040 due to the 4% interest rate he's earning. So that money loses its value with time. So let's understand how to calculate the present value. We will start with an example. You are going to receive $20,000 in 5 years from today. Or you have another option to take $16,500 today. Which option would you select, assuming the rate of interest is 8%? Okay, so you have two options. One will give you $20,000 in 5 years from today, and other you can get $16,500 today. And the rate of interest you can earn is 8%. So which option are you going to select? So this can be calculated with using this present value uh, formula. Is written over here. So PV is equal to Cn divided by 1 plus R to the power n, where Cn is the cash flow at period n, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of periods. Here Cn is 20,000. R, there is rate of interest is 8%, and N, which is number of periods, is 5. So PV would be 20,000 divided by 1.0 1 plus 0.08 to the power 5, which is equal to 20,000 divided by 1.08 to the power 5 is 1.4693, which is equal to 13,611.66. Again, you can use the Microsoft Excel to calculate this. The function you have to use is equal to PV, that is the present value. Then you have to give the rate, that is the rate of interest or rate of return, NPER, that is the net period, PMT. If you have any recurring payment, like in each period, if you are receiving some amount of money in the future, then you have to give it here. FV, that is the future value. Type, this type is also for PMT. Like either you are receiving the recurring payments at the beginning of the period or at the end of the period. So we will discuss that in other video. Here we will calculate the present value of the future cash flow. So the rate of interest is 8%. NPER is 5. This PMT, you can either leave it blank or give it as 0. Then you have to give the future value, which is $20,000. So the present value comes out to be 13,611.66. So coming back to the example, so the present value of $20,000 today is 13,611, and you have other option to receive 16,500. So of course you should go with this 16,500 option because it is more. I hope you would have understood how to calculate the present value. You can join me on Patreon. The link is given in the description, where I will be answering your queries, which you will be sending to me over messages. And also you can join me to in a one-on-one conference where I will be solving your queries. Please do check out, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for such kind of videos in future. Thank you very much.